Mail time. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Woodshop. My name is Rick, and we've got a follow-up video for you this time. A couple months back, you may recall that we participated in the Woodworking YouTubers Secret Santa giveaway, and my gift got lost in the delivery ether someplace. And I just got to say that Mighty Sawdust from the Mighty Sawdust channel did a phenomenal job on following up and trying to figure out what happened to the package. Couldn't find out where the package was. My focus is way off. Hang on one second. There, that's better. Now you're not looking at just, you know, me from about the chin down. But anyway, Mighty Sawdust could not locate the package, so he made another one. And it arrived today. How about that? So let's go ahead and get this thing open and see what it looks like. I am super excited. This is awesome. So it says, to the Weekend Woodshop, sorry for the delay, version 2.0. How about that? It says, from Dariusz, Mighty Sawdust. Thank you so much. Here we go. 1, 2. I love it when YouTubers, especially woodworking YouTubers, they use blue tape as wrapping paper, or as wrapping tape. That's pretty awesome. I did the same thing. It's pretty cool. All right, here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is phenomenal. This is so good. This is so good. Oh, you all, this is so nice. This is so nice. Check this out. That is so good. Presented to the Weekend Woodshop for passing 100,000 views, 12/9/2023. That is so awesome. Dariusz, you outdid yourself. This is amazing. I love it. Thank you so much. Better late than never. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed that entire Secret Santa thing that we did back in December, I truly hope that you would show the love all around all the channels, myself, Dariusz, Two Elm Builds, who I sent mine to, and all of the other YouTubers that participated in it. It was amazing. Yeah, sure, it's March, but you know what? I still love it, and I still am very thankful for this. This will prominently get displayed on the wall here in the shop, but big things to come. As you notice, I'm doing this recording at my table saw because the shop is in complete disarray because we are getting ready to make some big changes around here. If you don't want to miss those changes, then make sure you get subscribed. Make sure you turn your notification bells on so that you don't miss any of what's to come. By the way, as I finish up this video, I'm going to be working on the next one, which is going to be an awesome addition to the shop. So thank you all so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Crap. For you this week. Nope. Try again.